Hello, my dear students. Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after that first bite? Digestion doesn't stop in the mouth, it continues through the pharynx, esophagus, and into the stomach, where powerful enzymes and acids break food down even further. In this session, we will explore the role of salivary glands in starting chemical digestion, how the pharynx and esophagus move the food safely into the stomach, what happens during mechanical and chemical digestion in the stomach. Get ready to follow your food's journey from the first chew to the stomach's digestive powerhouse. Salivary glands, basically they secrete saliva into the oral cavity. Saliva is clear, tasteless and odorless fluid. They keeps mouth's mucus hydrated. They lubricate food and make swallowing easier. They starts digestion of starch with the help of the enzyme amylase, which is found in the saliva and in lingual enzyme also. Saliva can be considered as nature's mouthwash. It has antimicrobial compounds like hydrogen peroxide. It is accessory salivary glands which secrete. There are accessory salivary glands which secrete less saliva. Salivary glands, they key part of digestive system. There are three main parts: parotid gland, submandibular glands, and sublingual glands. And accessory salivary glands include palate, lips, cheeks, tonsil, and tongue. Parotid glands in front of and just below the ears, between the skin and masseter muscle. The duct name parotid duct, or also called as Stenson's duct. Duct opening, it enters the oral cavity by piercing the buccinator muscle and opens opposite the second upper maxillary or molar teeth. Submandibular glands, it is located in the floor of the mouth, medial and partly beneath the body of the mandible or lower jaw. The duct name is submandibular duct, also called as Wharton's duct. It opens into the oral cavity on either side of the lingual frenulum beneath the tongue. And sublingual glands, it is located just beneath the tongue above the submandibular glands. The duct name sublingual ducts or Rivinus duct, and the major one is Bartholin's duct. The multiple ducts open directly into the floor of the mouth in the oral cavity proper. Minor salivary gland or accessory salivary gland, they are located in the mucous membrane of mouth and tongue. They open directly or through short ducts into the oral cavity, which include labial glands found in the lips, buccal glands which are found in the cheeks, palatal glands are located in the palate, and lingual glands are in the tongue. They contribute a small amount of saliva. Composition of saliva, it contains 99.5% water and 0.5% solutes, which include ions like sodium Na+, potassium K+, chloride Cl-, bicarbonate HCO3-, and phosphate PO4 3-. It has also dissolved gases and organic substances like urea, uric acid, mucus, immunoglobulin A, lysozyme which has bacteria killing enzyme, and salivary amylase which act as digestive enzyme. Types of secretions by different salivary glands. Salivary glands, there are three types of salivary glands like parotid, submandibular and sublingual. Type of secretion from the parotid gland, it has watery or serous fluid secretion with amylase. It contains amylase. Submandibular gland, it is mixed in nature. It has watery or mucus content. It is thicker. It has also salivary amylase. Sublingual glands, it has mostly mucus and it is very thick. It has little amount of salivary amylase. It can dissolve food for tasting and digestion. It's the starts of digestion. The starch digestion starts here into maltose, maltodextrin, and alpha dextrin. It has chloride ions which activate salivary amylase. Bicarbonate and phosphate ions buffer acids and maintain saliva pH at 6.35 to 6.85. It removes waste like urea, uric acid similar to sweat glands. It lubricates, it has mucus which lubricates food, help from it into ball or bolus and aids in swallowing. It has immunoglobulin A or IgA which prevents microbial attachment to oral surfaces. Lysozyme, it kills bacteria though not strong enough to remove all. Salivation, the process of saliva secretion is controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Daily output, daily output is roughly 1000 to 150 ml of saliva produced per day. Digestion in mouth. Mechanical digestion, it involves chewing or mastication. Food is moved by tongue ground by teeth mixed with saliva. It forms a soft flexible mass called bolus, which is easy to swallow. The food molecules dissolved into saliva so that enzymes can act on them. Chemical digestion. Two important enzymes are involved in the process of chemical digestion, like salivary amylase and lingual lipase. Salivary amylase is secreted by salivary glands. Its function begins digestion of starch or a complex carbohydrate. It breaks starch into maltose, which is a disaccharide, maltotriose, which is a trisaccharide, alpha dextrin. It is short chain glucose unit, and its action continues for 1 hour after swallowing until it is inactivated by stomach acid. Lingual lipase, it is secreted by lingual glands in the tongue. It is activated in the acidic environment of the stomach, not active in the mouth. Function, it starts digestion of triglycerides, fats and oils. It breaks triglycerides into fatty acids and diglycerides. Diglycerides have one glycerol and two fatty acids. Summary of digestive activities in the mouth. Structure: cheeks and lip. It keeps food between teeth. Result: food is chewed evenly. Salivary glands, it secretes saliva, moistens food, begins digestion via salivary amylase and cleans mouth. Tongue, it extrinsic muscles move tongue in various directions, positions food for chewing and swallowing. Tongue intrinsic muscle, it changes tongue shape, aids in speech and swallowing. It has taste bud which can detect taste and trigger salivation via brain signals. Lingual glands, it secretes lingual lipase, starts for fat digestion after reaching stomach. Teeth, it cut, tear and grind food. It breaks food into smaller particles. What is pharynx? Pharynx is a funnel-shaped muscular tube. It connects the mouth to the esophagus and larynx. It is made up of skeletal muscle and lined with mucous membrane. It extends from the internal layers back to the nose to the esophagus and back and larynx and front. Parts of the pharynx: it has nasopharynx, which is located behind the nose, only involved in breathing or respiration. The function of nasopharynx. Oropharynx, it is located behind the mouth. It is involved in both digestion and respiration. And laryngopharynx, it is located near the voice box or larynx and also functions in both digestion and respiration. Role in digestion: the pharynx, when food is swallowed, it passes from the mouth into the oropharynx and then laryngopharynx. These areas contract the muscular movement to push food into the esophagus and then the food move into the stomach. Now, after pharynx, the part is esophagus. It is a collapsible muscular tube which is about 25 centimeter or 10-inch long. It connects the pharynx or throat to the stomach. It lies behind the trachea or windpipe. Esophagus is a continuous with laryngopharynx. It connects pharynx to stomach. Pathway of the esophagus: it begins at the lower end of the laryngopharynx. It passes through the neck and the chest or mediastinum. It lies in front of the vertebral column or spine. It pierces the diaphragm at a hole called the esophageal hiatus. It ends at the upper part of the stomach. Clinical note: sometimes a part of the stomach may push up through the esophageal hiatus. This condition is called a hiatal hernia. Stomach. Structure and function. Basic information: it has a J-shaped muscular organ located below the diaphragm. It connects the esophagus to the small intestine or duodenum. It acts as a temporary food storage and digestive chamber. Main parts of the stomach: it surrounds the opening where the esophagus meets the stomach. Fundus: it has rounded part above and left of the cardia, mainly for storage. Body: central and largest part where mixing happens. Pyloric part: it can be divided into pyloric antrum, which connects the body. Pyloric canal: it leads to pylorus and connects to duodenum via pyloric sphincter or valve. Stomach features: its inner lining has folds called rugae. It has seen when empty. It has lesser curvature, inner concave border, and has greater curvature, the outer or convex border. Mechanical digestion in the stomach: after food enters, mixing waves, gentle contractions start every 15 to 25 seconds. This mass food mix it with gastric juice, form a soapy mix called chyme. Most mixing occurs in the body and pylorus. Gastric emptying: a little, approximately 3 ml of chyme passes into the duodenum with each wave. Chemical digestion in the stomach: enzymes and action. Salivary amylase: it continues digesting starch in the fundus for about 1 hour until inactivated by acids. Lingual lipase, it becomes active in stomach's acidic environment. It digests triglycerides into fatty acid and triglycerides. Pepsin is secreted as inactive pepsinogen by Chief cells. It is activated to pepsin by HCl. It digests protein into smaller peptides. Gastric lipase, it digests short chain triglycerides into fatty acid and monoglycerides. It works best at pH 5 to 6. Hydrochloric acid secretion. Hydrochloric acid or HCl is secreted from the parietal cells of the stomach. H plus and Cl minus are secreted separately but form HCl in the lumen of the stomach. Proton pumps or H plus K plus ATPase helps pump H plus into the stomach. Carbonic anhydrase enzyme helps produce H plus from CO2 and H2O. Bicarbonate ions or HCO3 minus are released into the blood. It causes alkaline tide, slight rise in blood pH after the meal. HCl functions, it kills microbes, it partially denatures protein, it activates pepsin, it stimulates hormone release for bile and pancreatic juice. Regulation of HCl, it is stimulated by acetylcholine from nerves, gastrin from the G cells, histamine from mast cells, and it binds to the H2 receptor. Histamine enhances the effects of acetylcholine and gastrin with it's a synergistic effect. Stomach protection. Mucus lining, which is 1 to 3 mm thick, protects stomach cells from being digested. It is secreted by surface mucus cells and mucus neck cells. Absorption in the stomach, it has limited absorption which can absorb water, iron, certain fatty acids, drugs like aspirin, alcohol, etc. Gastric emptying time 2 to 4 hours after a meal. Order of emptying: carbohydrate rich food empties first test, proteins medium, and fats or triglycerides slowest. I hope this class helped you clearly understand how food travels from the mouth to the stomach and how each part, salivary glands, pharynx, esophagus and stomach, plays a vital role in both mechanical and chemical digestion. If you enjoyed this simplified step-by-step breakdown of digestive physiology, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such easy to understand classes. Stay curious, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.